कोई बात नहीं, अब पहले रोल बना लें हम। टेक्स्ट, ओके, like this. You can click type and then fill with placeholder text, placeholder dummy text. Okay, so it will fill with dummy text. Okay. Now, if you see, there is hyphen also, hyphenate. So you can click window, same like Illustrator, type and tables. We have paragraph. So paragraph we can make it justify, plus this hyphenate we can uncheck from here. Okay. Now if you place something, see this one is selected. So if now you press Ctrl D, see it will place inside the text, right? Okay. So now there are two options. If you have done like this, then press Command Z. Okay, so it will show you, so you can place now separately. Or second option, first you can deselect this one, like this is selected, so just click outside. This is not selected now. Now if you will press Ctrl D, it will not place inside the text. Now if you press and hold Alt plus Shift and simply you change the size of the image. Now in InDesign you can click on window and then text wrap. Okay. Text wrap is here. This one is around, see, wrap around object shape. This one is about around bounding box. This one is no text wrap. So if you click here, now you can see it's like this. Then you can increase from here like 0.5. So let's do that. So 0.2. So then if you move the image, see it will move text also. From here you can select preview. So preview will show you without guides. Then you can also press tab. So, and you can use Control plus. So, okay, tab, and it is normal. So this one was text wrap in Adobe InDesign. In InDesign we have like pages. Okay. Pages concept, you can see there are two, a master page and this is first page. Okay. In InDesign, if you want to increase, if you want to add more pages, like this is the first page. In layout you can see pages, add page, insert pages. Add page means like if you add page, it will add a single page just after the active page. Then layout, pages, add page, see this is third page. Now layout, pages, insert pages like 5 pages if you add, so already 3 pages. So after third page, now you can see there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pages, because we inserted 5 pages. There were 3 pages already. First it was one page, then we added two pages with option add page. Then we inserted five pages with insert page. Move page, you can simply move any page to another page, like 2 to 3 or 4 to 1 content. And delete pages, you can delete pages. Duplicate pages, you can make duplicate pages with content. For example, this, if you select this page, click layout, pages, duplicate spread. See, this one is duplicate. The last one now you can see. And if you want to delete this page, just select the page, layout, pages, delete pages. So now you know the difference between add page, insert page, move page, duplicate page, and delete page. If you click on file and then click document setup, this one you can see like this, because if we are designing books, so we need like this. You got my point? Both sides opposite we can see. But sometimes we are designing a book where we want to see one by one pages. So you can click on file and document setup, and there is one option facing pages. This pages option facing pages you will uncheck and then click OK. Now you can see it's one by one it will show. Okay. Now in a master page you can see there are two options. Okay. Here you can see now first page, second page, okay, third page, and we have till 7 pages. Okay, because one I deleted. Okay, you got me. Okay. Now after text wrap, we will check how to design header or how to design footer in all pages. Okay. So what you will do, you can right click. This is none applied. This is none applied. A master, there are two pages. Okay. Just click on one and for time being delete one master page. Okay. A master is applied to 7 pages, delete anyway as delete. Now we have one master page. You got my point? It's complicated but simple it is. Okay. So this is pages, this is master page. Master page is separate from these pages. Okay. So if you double click, you can see this page will open, which is only one page. It is master page. If I double click on first page, see this will open first page. Then master page, see this is master page. Okay. So in master page, something you create, it applies to all pages. Simple concept is this. You got my point? So if you prepare a header or a footer text with copyrights or numbers, number of pages like 1, 2, 3, 4, so it will apply to all pages. Confusion? Good. For example, in footer, if I will add here a text box, text frame like this one. Now this page is A page, master A page. See, A master. So if I go to type and click here, insert special characters or markers. Click on markers, insert, type. So there is typing options. Insert special character markers, current page number. So current page number is A. If you select this, like this is center, and if you increase the size of the frame like this, and this frame should be in center of the page, select this window or in the center. Okay. Now next is what I was telling. This is current page number A. Now if you select one page, see this is one page. Now down, review, tab. See, this is second page. This is third page. This is fourth page, fifth page, sixth and seventh. So it will apply to all of them. So we can press tab and we can now go to master page and click preview normal. So in normal only it shows. When we will save this file as PDF, then these guides will not appear, margin guides. Now for example, this one, if you move it here and you change the frame size like this, yes, just 2 minutes. Then select line tool and make a line like this. So this line also will appear in all pages. Okay. And if you write something like text and add a frame like this, now click type, insert special characters like copyright symbol. Copyright symbol, it's copyrights, then type copyrights and then all rights reserved, and then author is Obama. Okay. Then select it. This is in center of the frame, and then frame, if you want, you can change from here, also from there, then move frame to the center of the page like this. Okay. So now if this is master page we are editing, so if we click on A1 page, now click preview, see. So see, if I want to edit this, it will not edit here. You got my point? This is first page, see. Second, all pages you can see that thing. So now our footer has been designed, then we can add content. But if now click, so if you want to edit now, so you have to click where? Master page. Double click, then you can edit. Okay. Like if I move a bit here, now see, it will apply to all pages. Okay. So you can try all these things.